Good morning. So today we are going to group as uh, book 3, conditions of employment. So in conditions of employment, we have uh, working conditions and rest periods. So obviously for rest periods, so if it is less than less than 15 minutes, it's considered as hours of work. So then in rest periods we have hours of work. So this is 8 hours. So even though this is just 8 hours, by the way, in this scenario, I think we must have different idea to attack the problem where since we are trying to be a lawyer, then what we must know are only the theories involving uh, labor. So hindi naman po pwede na tayo gusto nating maging abogado. Tapos bago tayo maging abogado, kailangan pa natin malaman kung paano maging mekaniko, paano maging factory worker. 'Di ba napakahirap? So aabot siguro ng isang libong taon bago ka maging abogado kasi napakaraming trabaho sa buong bansa kung magtrabaho ka muna na ma-experience mo bago ka maging attorney, di ba? So, hours of work, we have 8 hours only. So, we can extend it for overtime, so plus overtime. So, next, we have weekly rest periods. So, obviously, weekly rest periods. So, ito, not necessarily Sunday. So, pupwede ito na Wednesday. Okay, so it depends sa kumpanya na natrabuhan nyo. So, next, holidays, service incentive leaves, and service charge. So, we have holiday pay. So, holiday, so if it is regular holiday, uh, it is times 2. So, your income, your income is will increase, but masasayang rin ang oras mo sa pamilya mo o sa kaibigan mo o sa pangangatawan mo. So next, we have wages. So so wages kung sa lingwaheng Pilipinas, ito ay sweldo. Okay. So we have, in terms of wages, we have minimum wage rates, payment of wages, provision regarding wages, wages studies, administration enforcement. So take note, when we saw wages, not all of them are wages. some of it are salary. So when we say salary, this is for with profession. Example, nurse, uh, police, okay, etc. So, but when we say wages, obviously, attorney. Attorney. So, salary po yan, basta mga ganyan. Pero kung mga layman lang po, halimbawa, welder, wages lang po yan sila. So, their payment is based on their result. But in salary, they are paid according to their profession. Okay, according to their profession. So, next, we have working conditions for special groups of employees. We have employment of women. Employment of women. So, pag sinabi nating women, noong unang panahon, ang babae hindi po pwedeng makaboto. Ngayon, ang babae po pwede na makaboto. Gayon pa man, pinahalagahan ng saligang batas ang tungkulin ng babae sa kaunlaran ng ating bansa. So, gayon pa man, when we say women, no discrimination for women. So, it means na equal protection for women. That's why we have the maternity leave for them, maternity leave, etc. So next, we have employment of minors. So minors, so pag sinabi nating minors, we have the working students. Okay, so below 18. Okay, so next we have house helpers. So we have here the yaya, the cook, the driver, etc. Then we have home workers. So ano ba itong mga home workers? Meron na tayong yaya, cook, driver, gardener, etc. So pang-advance na ang ano niyan. Basta dito yung driver ngayon hindi na siya home worker. Nasa house helper na siya. Okay? Then next we have night workers.